cat logging in the 50s on Salt Spring Island. Just a straight winch pull with these logs. Down the road he goes, probably heading for the landing. Here we are at the landing. Here's the winches for loading logs. The cat and the arch heading back for another turn. Chokerman and the hooker unhooking the chokers off the bull hook. Cat and the arch turning around. Chokerman setting the chokers. Put the knob and the bell there. Dragging another choker over to set on another log. There he is. Put the knob and the bell. Got the drum line now. Hooking it to the eye of the chokers. Yeah, here comes the logs out of the woods. Oh, moving ahead a bit. Right up to the top. Oh, we pull over a tree. Looks like we're going to hook up a couple more logs. Pull out that drum line. The eye of the choker in it. Put all the other chokers on. There we go. Right up to the top. There he goes. Nice looking turn of logs heading to the landing. And in the landing. Now we're at Norrie's. Chokerman hooking up a log here. There we go. We've got logs in there. There's Mike. Chokerman's got to grab those chokers before the cat backs over them. Hooking up the turn. There he comes. A couple of logs on there. Yeah, here he comes. Norrie's had a wheeled arch, rubber tires.